much work. Hello! Hello mga guwaps! Good morning! Welcome to Ecaths Vlogs!
Look at this!
Wow! Ooh! That looks lekker. Delicious. Made by Eric. He made breakfast for the first time.
Maybe you don't like it because it's no rice.
Yeah, I want rice for breakfast. Mga guwaps, tonight is January. Hello! Coffee tayo mga guwaps. So, nakaligo na ako. Yung dalawa, hindi pa. Mga sticky pa yung dalawa na yan. Pizza.
Pita bread met mozzarella, bacon en tomato.
Oh.
Ik denk voor Chloe.
Chloe, airplane. Ah.
Wow!
Wow, talaga. Oh, wow.
Alsjeblieft. Een stukje kaas.
Okay, Kumar, let's eat na. It's smakelijk.
Eet smakelijk.
Nou, denk.
Maar kan je dit eten? Mama, kan je dit voor mij snijden?
Is goed hoor.
Komt een tomaat.
Pag ikaw ma-shoot na naman dyan. La la la. Ma-shoot ka gani. Wala siya natagam. Na-shoot siya sa wine glass. Hello?
Hallo.
Lekker gedoucht na? Goed zo. Rocky ook is douche, swimming.
Is dat water?
Oh, nice.
So mga guwaps, mag-grocery kami ngayon. And,
Hurry up, come on, let's go. No, it's no time.
yay, hurry up! He was the one who was so langsam and wait. And he told me, honey, go! The supermarket will close. Yeah, I'm ready to go. But you're not yet ready. Doon kami kala Ate Esther mag New Year. And this year mga guwaps is the last year na may mga fireworks because next year fireworks is not allowed anymore. So it magiging boring na masyado yung dito mga guwaps, Christmas and New Year. Okay, let's go na. Tara, let's.
Nee, we moeten nog eventjes
Terug.
Huh?
Hurry up.
Wait a minute.
Tijd gaat nu in. Go!
What moet ik doen? What should I do?
Nee. Take this out. Hier. En dan allebei terug, als dat kan.
Allebei?
En deze boven gaan.
En deze ook?
Ja, eruit. Want nu is het zo slap.
Too much work?
Ja. Je moet geld verdienen, toch?
Too much work, but no salary. Like this. Yeah.
Wauw. Nice.
That's good.
Yes. Even omhoog de klem. Ja. 5 minuten weg. Hij wordt helemaal plat.
Agay, agay!
Hey, agay.
Probeer maar, kokosnoot. Nog meer. Oy, yeah, I forgot. I will buy a mango. I want to make something. Yeah? Okay na. So mga gops, last Christmas we haven't eaten olive ball. Olive ball.
Oil balls.
Oil balls.
Oliebol.
Olive ball.
They call it oliebollen because you put
that in the oil. You fry it with a lot of oil. Para siyang ano, donut ba? Donut kereo. Ano, pilipit. Para siyang pilipit ba? Pero bilog. What's this?
Oh,
Oh, wow.
echte oliebollen.
Wow. A lot of people in the line. Hoy! I don't have ano.
Your safety belt. Yeah.
I don't have the seatbelt. So mga guaps, I made an mango sago. Ayan. Dadalhin ko to doon kila Ate Esther. Pero iwan ko kung magustuhan nila. Pero try lang. So ayan siya.
Maar die heeft wel fur. Meer fur dan jou.
Parang mango sago din. So yan, takpan lang natin. Tapos ilagay natin sa fridge para malamig. Okay. Finish. Ready to go.
So good. Snacks and eten.
And the wine.
The wine.
Don't forget.
It's your favorite.
Yeah. So, ito lang yung ano namin mga gaps. Ganyan lang. Simple lang. Kasi sila, Ate Esther, simple lang din. So, mga gaps, dadaan muna kami sa mama ni Ivana. Mag-greet ng ano, Happy New Year. Mabilisan lang. Ayuy! Kakagulat. I'm scared.
En nog steeds los.
Is het nog steeds los?
Ja.
Maakt niet uit. Vandaag kan je wel gebruiken.
Maar jij kan het toch gebruiken?
Maar het voelt niet lekker als hij zo zit.
Ja. We will give olive ball to mama. She's watching TV. There is I. Hallo!
Oké. Maar heb je wat
Oliebollen.
Ja, jij ook.
We gaan nou eten bij Rolf. We gaan nou eten bij Rolf.
Oké.
Hello, mga girls.
Nou, ik heb zelf niks gehaald eigenlijk. Nee, niks.
Hello. Yeah. Lipstick. We're here now.
Vrienden of zo kunnen maken. Ja.
Ja, die krijg ik gewoon.
Nee, je hebt er 3. Voor knip.
Kain. Ritsma kelek.
Eet smakelijk. Lekker wanneer die stopt.
Through the wind.
Bijna. Bijna tijd.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
labas mga guwaps. Happy New Year! Last fireworks in Netherlands.
Ook een puntje.
When we go outside. So mga guwaps, nasa bahay na kami. Nakauwi na kami mga guwaps. And yeah, ang oras ngayon mga guwaps kay ano na? 4:21 in the morning. Patay tayo dyan. Pero, hindi kami nalasing. Hindi ako nalasing mga guwaps kasi hindi naman masyadong marami yung nainom ko mga guwaps. Kasi nga, self-service. So, pag self-service, so, hindi tayo malasing yan. Kasi, kunti-kunti lang yung kinukuha natin o iniinom. So, ayan. So, ang ganda ng mga fireworks. Pero, last fireworks na yan mga guwaps. Kasi next year, bawal na daw yung fireworks. So, medyo, sa totoo lang, medyo boring na yan. Kasi dito sa Netherlands, yung Christmas at saka New Year parang, New Year, okay lang, masaya. Pero ang Christmas parang hindi mo feel. So, ngayon, lalo na, wala nang mga fireworks. Kaya, let's see na lang kung ano yung ganap. So, ayan lang mga guwaps. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Happy New Year to all. Doei.